What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about zkSwap, which is one of the key infrastructure projects within the zkSync ecosystem. The reason why we're covering this tutorial today is because this is one of the platforms that if we use them we could actually be eligible for the zkSwap airdrop and the zkSync airdrop as well. So it's effectively just a decentralized exchange running on zkSync, harnessing the power of zk knowledge proofs, and it offers anyone who's using it cost-efficient DeFi experiences that are easy to access, all the while maintaining that robust security of the wider Ethereum network. So the zkSwap protocol itself acts as more or less like a transactional layer and also a liquidity solution within the zkSync era network. It also has an open source and modular design that is meant to ease the integration process within the wider zkSync ecosystem. If you like the kind of content that I've been bringing you on this channel, especially with regards to which platforms to use if you want to qualify for airdrops. For all of you that are new to the channel, airdrops are effectively tokens that are issued out for free to users or early adopters of different networks. And a lot of times you can do these airdrop tasks for no money if it's on testnet, or you can actually just spend a few bucks, maybe less than $10 or less than $5 to do transactions, etc., especially on second layer networks like zkSync, to build up some volume and also then become eligible for token drops, which could end up turning that activity and that little investment of just a couple of dollars into thousands of dollars over time. So like I said, let's jump right into why I think zkSwap is very crucial. What are some of the features that I like about it? It's obviously leveraging the benefits and advantage of using a roll-up solution like zkSync, but you can also experience 1000x scaling improvements, lesser cost, and also dynamic fee reimbursements. And the architecture itself, designed for gas efficiency, actually offers competitive gas cost when you think of it relative to other exchanges. And at the heart of zkSwap's protocol is the actual DEX itself, which has this nice dynamic multiple design that I really like. The exchange's design is actually adaptable as well, and this innovative multiple approach does allow the DEX to support diverse pools or diverse pool models as well, each tailored to specific needs. It also accommodates different automated market makers, improving capital efficiency and offering liquidity to a range of providers and options that these liquidity providers can enjoy. At the core of this liquidity model is also the AMMs, like I said, which do set prices algorithmically rather than actually relying on external price feeds. And zkSwap's DEX design itself is highly adaptable, like I said, consisting of several independent modules that are also easy to upgrade. And when it comes to smart contracts and the immutability, which is a core principle that is sometimes deterrent to direct upgrades, through proxy patterns, developers are actually able to update contract functionalities, and a method that is all the while, like I said, is powerful, posing risks in trustless environments due to potential code in session of malicious code. But when you look at how zkSwap is doing that, it's pretty much utilizing that pattern to facilitate more safer future updates without actually compromising this trust integrity. And the protocol itself is crafted to serve both as an exchange layer and a liquidity pool solution at the zkSync kind of a network's foundational level. And the DEX is meant to be fully compatible, so it has that composability, making sure that it has the capability to have easy integrations with other protocols as well. Okay, so if you want to start using zkSwap, it's very easy. All you need to do is connect your Web3 wallet. In this demonstration, I'm using MetaMask, and just make sure you choose the assets that you want to swap. For this demonstration, we'll be performing a micro transaction from ETH to USDC. And so you guys can also see how easy it is to use these layer 2 solutions like zkSync, as I said, for small transactions, so that you pay negligible fees essentially. And what I like is you actually get refunds on some of the gas as well. About 30 to 90% gas or unused gas fees will actually be automatically refunded. Okay, so all you need to do then is pay your gas fee and sign the transaction. Of course, pay the gas fee, and your transaction will easily get processed, and you can actually verify that on the Block Explorer as well. So let's talk about these fees on zkSync, or SyncSwap rather. So trading fees are dynamically adjustable, ensuring that there are competitive rates and minimal spreads for traders, while optimizing that revenue opportunity for liquidity providers and stakeholders across different market conditions. The platform's fee structure is also a highlight, and it offers customizable trading fees that can adapt to market trends and also the community preferences there. So thanks to their diff or state diff technology rather, SyncSwap itself actually offers the reduced gas fee experience. Transactions on SyncSwap are dynamic with unused portions, like I said, refunded after each transaction is actually confirmed. Typically, this can range between 20 to 90% of gas fees are actually refunded, including for transactions that fail are also reverted. So this is really, really important. This is why I think SyncSwap is very unique. The fee types themselves are also quite interesting. You've got the variable fees, which are just basic dynamic pricing features, allowing for individual adjustments across different pool models and specific liquidity pools, with the default fee for each model, as well as directional fees, which is pretty much a feature that enables custom trading fee tiers for liquidity pools, depending on the transaction type, whether you're buying or selling tokens. And also you have fee discounts similar to centralized exchanges. SyncSwap will actually offer a fee discount for token stakers as well, with varying discount levels based on the amount that you actually stake. And you have fee delegation, which is a groundbreaking feature that allows the dynamic delegation of trading fees to partner ecosystem projects, enabling a democratic approach to fee setting. So the maximum sort of tier is set at 10%, offering that extensive customization possibility for you as a user. Like I said, if you use SyncSwap, you may actually qualify for a zkSync airdrop. So SyncSwap, zkSync, great ecosystem. I implore you all guys to go check it out for yourselves. I'll leave a link to this full tutorial on in the description, so you can follow through if you want to learn more about airdrop hunting, liquidity mining, yield farming. And there's quite an important thing that's actually happening now as far as how these projects are driving new users to the ecosystem. And I'm talking about point systems here. I'm going to do a separate video to really kind of show you guys how or what the new generation of incentivization is going to be for guys who want to participate in token sales, or kind of are really interested in staking, liquidity mining, yield farming, and all of these DeFi incentives that can double, treble, quadruple your yield and your investments, sometimes just for participation, as well as providing liquidity and things of that nature. If you want to learn more about DeFi, then make sure you check out the link to my book, DeFi Millionaires, at defi-millionaire.com. It's a free download, no excuses. You can go check it out, and I explain all of these concepts in depth. And if you want to actually get mentored by me as far as DeFi is concerned, things that I've talked about already as far as liquidity mining, yield farming, all of these things, as well as trading on decentralized exchanges, then make sure you go to defi-decoded.online. The link is also in the description. If you want to support, check out my other books, Tokenized Trillions, Blockchain Applied, deal with real-world asset tokenization on the blockchain. Join our Telegram, our Discord, and all our socials. Links are all in the description. Like, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, love.